Welcome students. Date is 19th August 2021 and day is Thursday. THURSDAY Thursday. Words for practice. First word is chart. CHART chart. Chart means chart. Second word is chest. CHEST chest. Chest means shati. Third word is cheer. CHEER cheer. Cheer means हौसला देना. Fourth word is check. CHECK check. Check means check करना. Fifth word is cheat. CHEAT cheat. Cheat means नकल मारना या धोखा. It's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow with some new words. Till then, bye bye.